Muscle Series. Put your hands together for the one and only Dread Samurai! Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Are you ready? Alright, let's get the show on the road. The two best drivers right now will be getting into the cars. They will be showcasing their skills. And all I will say is, get your phones up. Start recording. Because you are in the right place for some breathtaking action. Are we ready? First up, they will be doing individual tricks and then some tag team effort. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Yukio Matsuri, the Dread Samurai. Woo! Are we ready? Samurai, go! Up next, Yukio Matsui! Alright, make some noise! I'll press the donut! The Dread Samurai! Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, are you happy? Yeah! Alright! Make some noise, put your hands together! Gentlemen, if you're ready, go! Whenever you're ready, let's do it! You guys want some more? Yeah. Make some noise! Yeah. Put your hands together for these two drivers, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want some more?